Which Model S variant to pick? Tesla has two variants of the new 2021 Model S accessible to clients. Model S Plaid is the elite presentation rendition. It has 3 electric engines and costs in excess of $100,000. Then again, less expensive Model S long-reach variant offers you a lengthy scope of in excess of 660 kilometers or 412 miles and a strong double-engine powertrain for a lower sticker price of $84,990. On the off chance that you some way or another intrigued to purchase the quickest creation vehicle on Earth at the present time, you ought to consider purchasing the Plaid Model S. Its 0 to 100 km/h execution is exceptional. Tesla achieved its quite possibly of the best objective, which is demonstrating that electric vehicle is the best vehicle to have. Coherence of the elite presentation and greatest force is a thrilling encounter for any person. Long-reach bundle of the 2021 Tesla Model S is a big deal by the same token. It is without a doubt more slow than tri-engine Plaid, however other than that it has the entire bundle. Patched up inside plan, elite execution and vehicle PC, profoundly fit autopilot mode, legitimate secondary lounge plan and usefulness reasonable for an extravagance car, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. According to a more extensive point of view, Model S Long Reach has everything any vehicle purchasers want. In addition to you get to partake in its race car-like execution because of the double-engine powertrain, and the new inside arrangement will dazzle everybody. The amount. Does 2021 Tesla demonstrate S Long Reach expenses? The 2021 Tesla Model S Long Reach costs $89,990 in the US, any tax reductions or motivators excluded. In Europe, Tesla will charge €96.990 for a pristine 2021 Model S Long Reach. Likewise, purchasers from China will pay in excess of 859,000 renminbi for the best-in-class Tesla electric vehicle. Tesla will convey the long-reach Model S to any new purchasers in 90 days. In any case, clients from Germany, China and so on need to sit tight for their piece of this fine apparatus until the following year. Most up-to-date Model S and Model X forms creation have quite recently begun to increase. Ideally, conveyance times will be abbreviated before long. Is burden directing discretionary in Model S? The burden directing wheel is the main guiding wheel choice on any new Tesla Model S and Model X. Initially, Tesla expressed that there will be a possibility for a standard, round-trip directing wheel for their most current electric vehicles. Yet, not long before the underlying conveyances, Tesla clarified that burden is the unrivaled guiding wheel for their new vehicles. Tesla's electric Get truck, the Cybertruck, will likewise include a burden controlling wheel.